Okay, so if you're watching this, it's because you didn't get the correct answer and you need to see the play-by-play, and that's fine. Let's go through it. The first thing I want to do is I want to share with you the fact that I'm solving for x, or I'm eliminating x, so I want to swap the x's first. So I'm going to make big distributive property parentheses. I'm going to bring my 3 upstairs and my 7 downstairs. And remember, the signs are the same. They're both positive, which means I have to introduce a negative to one of them. And it doesn't matter which one. I'm going to introduce my negative to the top one this time because I think the numbers will be easier to multiply. I'm going to go through and I'm going to distribute now and get 2 brand new equations. So I've got negative, let me back this up, negative 3 times 7x, negative 3 times 2y, and negative 3 times negative 1. Now, this is the spot where most people mess up. They forget to distribute all the way over across the equal sign. So if you did that, you need to address that and then make sure you don't forget that again. In the bottom equation, I'm going to take the 7 times 3x, which is positive 21x, the 7 times negative 4y, which is negative 28y, and I need to do 7 times 19. 7 times 19, doing a little fast math in my head, 133. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add down. If you notice, everything is in line. I've got, for my x terms, I've got the same exact coefficient, except one is negative and one is positive. So when I add down, what's going to happen is they are going to cancel and eliminate, which is the whole purpose. So plus sign, add down, negative 21 plus 21 eliminates. Negative 6 plus negative 28 is negative 34y. And 3 plus 133 is 136. Now, our last step in solving for y is we're going to divide by negative 34. And 136 divided by negative 34 should be negative 4. At this stage, what we're going to do is we're going to take and pick an equation. We got to choose which equation we want to substitute back into, something that we feel is a little bit easier rather than more difficult. And I think I'm going top this time. So I'm going to 7x plus 2y equals negative 1. I'm going to take my negative 4 that I got from my y answer, and I'm going to put it into this y position, and I'm going to substitute it with parentheses because that is a multiplier. And I'm going to have 7x plus 2 times negative 4 equals negative 1. Then it's just a question of me combining like terms and stuff. I've got 7x, 2 times negative 4. Remember, that's a multiplier, so it's a negative 8. I'm going to add 8 to this side. 7x equals 7. I'm going to divide by 7, and x is 1. This one was not messy at all. Final answer for this system is 1, negative 4. If you have trouble, go back and rewatch the video or contact your teacher with questions.